Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix GameSir G7 as he doesn't connect to Xbox, it works connected to the PC. So basically what you'll need to do is plug your controller by USB cable, so take the Type-C and plug to controller and USB and put to USB port into Xbox. And then what you'll need to do is actually restart your console if it was turned on. So basically restart your console and it should work, because in this Reddit post what I found that solved this issue is just to restart the console, and it says it worked. So that's pretty much it, guys. If that doesn't help you, what you can try is performing a full shutdown of the Xbox. Sometimes restores the controller detection for other models. So basically what we'll need to do is hold the power button for 10 plus seconds until it's fully shut down and the power indicator is off. Then leave the controller and AC plugged in the whole time and turn it back on and see if the controller is detected. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.